Best times to make dua: during Sujood, between Adhan and Iqamah, on Friday's last hour of Asr, in the state of humility and sincerity, while traveling, Laylatul Qadr, last third of the night, when it rains, while fasting and at iftar.